Hello, good day viewers. Into this tutorial we are going to talk about percentage increase and percentage decrease. So first we want to increase a number 20 by 10%. You know, originally every number is 100%. So we say this 20 is 100% complete. So what is 10% of 20? You know, 10% can be expressed as rational form, which is 10 out of 100. Of means multiplication times 20. This 0 can cancel this 0, this other 0 can cancel this. What we have left is just 1 times 2 equals 2. This means that 10% of 20 is 2. But the question says we should increase the number by 10%. We have already obtained the 10%. Therefore, we have 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22. So if we increase 20 by 10%, we are going to obtain 22. Another approach, remember I told you, every number in its original form is 100%. So to increase that number by any percent, all you need to do is to add that required percent to the 100. So we have 100% plus 10% of what we have here is 20. And you can see this is 110%, which can be written in rational form as 110 over 100 multiplied by 20. You can rationalize it if you like. 0 here, 1, 0 here, 1, 0 here, 0 here. All we have left is 11 times 2, which is the same thing as 22. So these are the two approaches. It's either you find the 10% of that number, whatever you obtain, you add it to the original number, or you increase the percentage because its original form is in 100%. We want to increase it to 110 because we are adding 10. So we have 110% of that number, which is the same thing as 22. So now let us see how we can find the percentage decrease of a number. So this question says we should decrease 70, which is a number, by 30%. First of all, let us find what is 30% of 70. Whatever we obtain, we will remove it out of 70 because we are decreasing now, not increasing. So 30% of 70 is the same thing as 30 out of 100 of its multiplication. We have 70, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. All we have left is just 3 times 7, which is equal to 21. We are decreasing, and hence we are going to subtract 21 out of 70. And 70 minus 21 is equal to 49. Therefore, if you reduce 70 by 30%, you shall obtain 49. Another approach, remember I told you this number in its original form is 100%. We want to reduce it by 30%. This means that we are removing 30% out of 100. So 30% out of 100 is the same thing as 100% minus 30% of this number, 70. If you subtract 30 out of 100, you shall obtain 70%, and 70% can be written as 70 out of 100 times 70. This 0 take care of this will take care of this. All we have left is 7 times 7, which is the same thing as 49. So you can either follow this approach or this one, but you have to arrive at the same answer. So now let us look on to word problems leading on to decrease and increase of percentage.